Hey, watch out!
Welcome to Crush Mind. Brace yourself for heart-stopping crashes, epic wrecks, and chaos on four wheels. From high-speed pursuits to mind-blowing impacts, every second is a thrill ride you won't forget. Strap in, keep your eyes wide, and feel the rush. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe.
How you doing, James?
Jackson, Michigan. On September 19, 2024, Deputy Robert Henderson arrived at a home in Leone Township to arrest 41-year-old James Mitchell Kerr. Kerr was on a riding lawnmower when Deputy Henderson started speaking with him. Kerr ignored Deputy Robert Henderson's commands to stop, accelerating his mower before coming to a ditch. The situation escalated when Kerr retrieved a handgun hidden on the mower, prompting the deputy to deploy a taser. Watch what happened in the end.
How you doing, James? Come on out there, man. Come here. James, stop! 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 Get off the... Now! Get off! Now! Stop! 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 Now! Stop! Now! Get off! Get off now!
I'm getting off! Right now! Get off!
Now!
I'm getting off!
No! Step off! Shut it off and step off now!
I am! Calm
Get
down.
off!
Calm
Now!
down. Alone.
You run, I'm gonna tase you, James.
And I'm gonna...
Drop the gun! Send me another unit now. Shots fired. Suspect pulled the gun.
No,
He shot. Stand by. Suspect reached for a gun. Got tased. Round discharge from his gun. Start JCA'd another unit. Looks like he got shot in the hand.
The driver in a stolen school bus led cops on a wild 80-mile high-speed chase across 2 states before he crashed in Indiana, and it was all caught on dramatic dashcam video. Watch what happened in the end. There is no way to escape. Nashville, Tennessee. On October 29, 2024, around 1:30 a.m., Metro Nashville police officers observed 22-year-old guy driving a silver-colored Dodge Challenger recklessly along Korean Veterans Boulevard. Esquivel reportedly ignored police lights, continued swerving across all lanes, and even performed donuts in the middle of the road before hitting a police vehicle head-on. Watch the terrible end of this criminal. tense and dangerous moments caught on a West Memphis, Arkansas police dash camera during a chase involving an accused shoplifter on a busy interstate on May 21st, 2018. Watch what happened in the end. The police become very close and the criminal's situation is getting worse. I think surrendering here is a great idea. This is where the tables turn.
What's their location? What's this?
Hey, watch out!
Heck, 433 is 97.
Hey, watch out!
Get to stomping. House is good?
This is a high-speed police chase of a Tesla car driven by two young men who tried to escape by all means, but something unexpected happened. Watch until the end.
Stay red. How's that doing now? Do you still have a secondary unit?
That's a negative. Continuing over McDaniel. Yes, I do have a secondary unit, if they can call it.
Got it on Peters going westbound. Westbound on Peters. Westbound on Whitehall, coming up the Oak. Long lanes of travel, gonna be going 70 plus, still on Whitehall.
Heavy traffic over here, y'all. Heavy traffic over here. Almost 41. We are still south on Whitehall, crossing over RDA.
Heavy traffic over here, y'all. Heavy traffic over here. Almost 41. We are still south on Whitehall, crossing over RDA.
60 miles wrong lane. Travel here, back on the right side. It's 430 off 41 feet, very edge, get that corner. Nice traffic over here. Switch to the other zone. Phoenix should be the only one talking on this radio.
Coming up on your 6. Hands. Don't you fucking move. Hands up. You're gonna crawl over this seat with your hands up. You understand me? Let's go. Crawl now.
You don't crawl, you'll get taken.
On the ground. Don't you move. Hands down.
Hey, you got him? I'm gonna go with him.
Don't you move. I swear to God.
Hey, are you good?
What's up, Devin?
Put your hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back.
You gotta grab it.